Hello, this is Moots at TRASK Performance. We're going to be doing a Big Sexy exhaust install on our 23 CVO. Gaskets, exhaust gaskets supplied with the kit. Install our new gaskets. There are the O2 reducer bungs getting installed into the pipe. When installing the O2 sensors, put just a little dab of anti-seize on the threads. They get hot with the exhaust and you want to be able to get them out. If you run a Thunder Max or a wideband O2 sensor, you will leave the reducers out. Trap door, remove the stock fasteners. The new bracket is supplied with 5/16 18 fasteners, torqued at 24 foot-pounds. We're going to install a front pipe onto the flange studs on the front head. Install the nuts loosely. I like to put a little bit of anti-seize on the thread of the studs prior to installation. Just snug up that front head pipe a little bit so it kind of hangs in space. The rear pipe is going to slide into the double slip fit that we have used on a lot of our pipes here at TRASK. Get the rear pipe aligned into the rear port and install your rear support hardware. It's a 3/8 carriage bolt with a thick washer and a thin washer and a locking nut. And go ahead and torque down your exhaust muffler to the transmission bracket. Then go ahead and torque your flange nuts onto the exhaust studs. 24, 26 foot-pounds on the studs. Plug in your O2 sensors, off you go. You can get this product at traskperformance.com or any authorized drag specialties dealer.